unveiling the spiritual significance of numerology numbers 7, 8, and 9. Today we delve into the magical world of numerology and the profound meanings behind the numbers 7, 8, and 9. Let's begin our journey with the mystical number 7. Long considered a highly spiritual number, 7 vibrates with metaphysical wisdom, intuition, and the pursuit of inner knowledge. It's an invitation to introspection, a symbol of our divine connection with the universe. Moving up the numerical ladder, we encounter the powerful number 8. 8 signifies infinity, abundance, and power. It's a visual representation of the eternal flow of energy, a cycle that never ends. This extraordinary number balances our materialistic pursuits with our spiritual progression, reminding us of the harmony that exists between the two. As we reach the peak of our numerical exploration, we encounter the number 9. In numerology, 9 is the symbol of completion, of achieving wholeness. It's the pinnacle of our journey, the end of a cycle, preparing us for a new beginning. But 9 isn't just about endings. It's also a call towards humanitarianism, towards serving others and contributing to the larger good. It inspires us to imbibe the qualities of empathy, compassion, and kindness in our interactions with the world. Number 9 is also often associated with spiritual enlightenment. It's a reminder that we're all part of a larger cosmic plan, a nudge to cultivate inner wisdom and reach higher levels of consciousness. So, there you go. The fascinating world of numerology, right from the spiritual 7 to the powerful 8 and the complete 9. Each number has its unique rhythm, guiding our life's journey and enriching our spiritual quest. As we wrap up, remember that numbers are more than just digits. They are symbolic representations of the universe's energy vibrations, helping us understand our lives better and align our energies for personal and spiritual growth. Embrace the power of numerology and let it guide your journey.